You know those moments, right? You're stuck in traffic or maybe staring at a stressful email, and you just wish you could hit a reset button. Well, today we're going to talk about a simple, super powerful tool that takes less than 10 seconds to totally change how you feel.
Okay, think about the word peace for a second. What comes to mind? For most of us, it's probably, silence, meditation, maybe a quiet mountaintop. But what if that's not the whole picture? What if our idea of peace has been missing something? Something a little more alive.
Here's a thought that might surprise you. What if that calm feeling we're all chasing actually sounds like a laugh? I'm not talking about a big, roaring belly laugh, but something much smaller, gentler, and something you can access in an instant.
I mean, this just flips the whole idea on its head, doesn't it? Suddenly, peace isn't some far off goal you have to work for. It's right here, in this moment. It can be alive, it can be playful, and it's completely 100% within your reach.
So let's move from just talking about it to actually doing it. We're going to try a super simple breathing exercise that is designed to reset your state in literally seconds. It's incredibly easy, so I really hope you'll try it with me right now. It's just 2 little steps. You ready? Let's do it together. First, just take one easy, comfortable breath in through your nose, and now just let out a tiny, soft laugh, almost like a little puff of air, kind of like, huh. Okay, so you just did it. What happened? Let's talk about the immediate effect of that tiny little action and explore what you might be feeling in your body and mind right this second. Just take a second, turn your attention inward, and just notice. No judgment, no trying to figure it out, just a simple observation. How does your body feel? What's going on in your head? This simple act of just noticing is really what makes this so powerful. So let's break down what you might have felt. Physically, a lot of people feel that tiny laugh kind of loosens the tension we all hold in our chest and our shoulders.
And mentally, it has this amazing way of just lightening your mind, you know? It breaks the pattern of a heavy or stressful thought. It's literally like a reset button for both your body and your mind. So you've created this small shift, this little bit of lightness. Now the next step is all about making that feeling stick around. And we can do that with a really simple, mindful affirmation that's designed to kind of cement this new, lighter state. The affirmation itself is just 2 words: I rest, enjoy. So after you do the laughter breath, you can just say this to yourself, either out loud or just in your head. It's kind of like a command and a permission slip all in one. You're telling your nervous system that it's totally okay to be in this calm, enjoyable state. All right, so we've got the feeling and we've got the little phrase to lock it in. But how does this tiny, playful moment actually translate into real change in your day-to-day life? Let's talk about that. This really brings us to the most important question. And this one is for you. Based on that feeling of lightness you just created, what is one small, real change you can make today? Maybe it's using this laugh breath before a meeting you're nervous about, or maybe it's just deciding you're not going to worry about one tiny thing. The real power is in making that conscious choice. And that brings us right back to where we started. Peace doesn't have to be this super serious, faraway thing. It can be right here in a single breath and a tiny laugh. It can be playful. So the only question left is, what if you decided to play with peace, even just a little, today?